folks, my wood yard is clean once again. I still got the 2 pecan logs right there. I didn't push them up. Give you a little backstory. Wood yard, we had some good wood still left in here, but the time that it would take to push and look and get the front end loader and pick it out and work it up. A lot of this wood was diseased. We had already got the cream of the crop out of it. But I had a buddy of mine that builds houses. The guy that does this clearing, they got about 2 acres. In the coming weeks, they're gonna have a lot of premium oak logs. And he asked me that I want them, he's gonna bring them to me. So I had to make a decision, well, where am I gonna do with them? And we ain't talking about a couple. Could be as many as 30 logs, trees. So me and my neighbor, I keep him in firewood and we work. He's the guy that has the horses and my wife's take care of them. So I asked him today, you got about 20 minutes. So he brought the bulldozer over and I'm gonna show you where he cleared all the old wood. It was a bunch of pine. A guy had just dumped me a load of pecan. I didn't know it, but it wasn't nothing but knots and it was rotted and it had ants in it. And I hardly ever see pecan with ants in it, but it just wasn't good enough that I wanted to food with for even fire pits, and you couldn't sell it for cooking. So we just pushed everything. We got the whole yard cleaned up. Like I said, I could have spent some time and got a couple pieces here or there out of it, but it would have been too much time involved in it. And I know I got some premium stuff coming, and most of this stuff has been on the ground 6 months. So just made a decision. He brought the bulldozer over, and I still have a little bit. I've got some big logs right there. I did not push it. There's some big logs, and there's 3 big logs in there. It's probably 24 inches. And I saved them. So, just something different. You know, sometimes you got to make a tough decision. I hate pushing stuff and wasting stuff, but it was time to push it up. I do this about once a year, and with winter coming shortly and it's going to be wet and windstorms, we get a lot of wood in the winter time, more than we do in the summertime. So the wood yard is ready for some pretty logs. Hope you enjoyed this a little bit. That John Deere dozer, that's a bad machine. Y'all have a great week. Take care of one another. This is Rick Outdoors.